Mohun Bagan Supergiant are set to host Odisha FC. Yes, Odisha FC, they will play at Salt Lake today. Yes, Mohun Bagan are placed at the top of the standings with 49 points from 21 games, and the Mariners now need just a single win. Yes, they need just 3 points to become the ISL league winners and defend their title. Yes, becoming the first team to do so in the ISL history. Yes, they are going through their sessions at Salt Lake. The second placed FC Goa have 42 points from 21 encounters, so they cannot reach Mohun Bagan, which at the moment has 49 points. So, in that case, Mohun Bagan are set. Yeah, they have another games too in the later period, but today they will play against Odisha FC, and if they get just 3 points, and they would be the league field winners. Odisha FC, yes, are looking to break into the top 6. Yes, since they are positioned 7th. Presently, they are in the 7th position with 29 points from 21 games. So, all eyes would be on Mohun Bagan versus Odisha. As you see, Mohun Bagan players are in a very, very, very happy mood. Historic opportunity, yes. Odisha won their last ISL game at this venue by defeating East Bengal 2-1. Yes, last year they won against East Bengal, but they can do it now against Mohun Bagan, which was very formidable with McLaren and this Jason Cummings along with Manveer. Oh, what a lineup for Mohun Bagan. As for the head-to-head, the two teams have faced each other 12 times in the competition. So Mohun Bagan and Odisha FC have played 12 matches in the ISL history, and out of these 12 matches, Mohun Bagan Supergiant won 5 times, Odisha once, and 6 matches were drawn. And Jason Cummings with McLaren, a great friendship between McLaren, Jason, Manveer and others. Oh, yes. Oh, they are having through a very, very jovial atmosphere. Oh, McLaren, everybody is teasing with Deepak Tangri. Oh, what they are doing, they are lifting McLaren. So, as for the coaches, Mohun Bagan Supergiant coach Jose Molina, he brushed aside suggestion that his team is in a situation to take it easy in the coming matches. No, it's not easy. We are not in a position to relax. We cannot relax. Yes, what is said at the press conference, Mohun Bagan Supergiant coach Jose Molina. And you know that Odisha FC head coach is Sergio Lovera. Yes, he said that his team will fight today to see that they can go into that Super 6. And the key players for this Mohun Bagan and this Odisha match, you can see that Manveer Singh has scored 26 ISL goals, the 4th highest by an Indian player behind Sunil Khetri. Sunil has scored 72 goals, that Indian, and Changte, he has scored 45, Bipan Singh 27. So Manveer has struck 5 times and assisted thrice in the current campaign. Yes, so far as this ISL this season is concerned, Manveer scored 5 goals and assisted 3, and so far in the ISL history he has scored 26 goals. And for Mohun Bagan, Dimitri Petratos and Giri have each recorded 17 assists. Yes, Petratos 17 assists in ISL, with only Brandon Fernandez 25 assists, Luna 23 and Vedia 18, making more for a single team. Yes, then McLaren, as all you know, is scoring goals and he has netted 6 match-winning goal in ISL. Mohan Bagan in this ISL started their campaign against Super Giant. This Mohan Bagan Super Giant played against Mumbai City at their Salt Lake Stadium on September the 13th, and it was not an unlucky day for Mohan Bagan to start the campaign as they drew 2-all. Then on 23rd September they played against Northeast, beat them by 3-2. So first win for Mohan Bagan against Northeast. Then they played in Bengaluru against Bengaluru and they beat. They were lost to Bengaluru. Yes, they lost 3-0 to Bengaluru in Bengaluru. Then they beat Mountain Sporting 3-0, and the Derby, which East Bengal was having the home that as a host, Mohan Bagan beat East Bengal 2-0. Mohan Bagan beat Hyderabad 2-0 again. Then Mohan Bagan drew with Odisha in Odisha. Yes, that you can see that it's now return game. What Mohan Bagan can do in this return game, as in Odisha, Mohan Bagan drew 1-all with Hugo Bomos. He scored in the 4th minute and Manveer equalized. Yes, so that was the match when Mohan Bagan drew with Odisha FC, and now they are playing Odisha FC. Then Mohan Bagan beat Jamshedpur 3-0. Then they beat Chennai 1-0. Then Mohan Bagan beat Northeast in Guwahati 2-0. Then Mohan Bagan beat Kerala Blasters 3-2. Yes, 3-2 at their home ground. Then they lost to FC Goa in Goa 2-1, and thereafter Mohan Bagan went to this New Delhi where they beat Punjab FC 3-1. Yes, in Delhi they beat Punjab FC 3-1. Then they beat Hyderabad FC 3-0. Yes, at their home ground they beat 3-0. They scored 3 goals against Hyderabad. Then they beat East Bengal again. Yes, in the Derby they beat against East Bengal in their home game. And again Mohan Bagan drew with Jamshedpur in Jamshedpur. Then they drew with Chennai FC, 2 consecutive draw for Mohan Bagan. They drew with Chennai FC 0-0. Then yes, came the win against Bengaluru where they lost. So Mohan Bagan beat Bengaluru FC 1-0, and they beat Mohammedan Sporting 4-0. Yes, very convincing win for Mohan Bagan when they beat Mohammedan Sporting 4-0. Then they beat Punjab FC at Salt Lake 3-0, and they beat Kerala Blasters. Yes, a great match in Kochi where they beat Kerala Blasters 3-0, and now they are playing Odisha FC. So Mohan Bagan is really at the top end, you can say, as for the statistics. As all you know, Aladdin Ajarai of Northeast is having the top scorer till now. He has scored 20 goals out of 22 matches he played. Then for Mohan Bagan, Jamie McLaren, yes, he scored 10 goals out of 20 matches. McLaren, yes, all eyes would be on McLaren. Then comes for Mohan Bagan is Subhashish Bose, their captain and the stopper, who scored 6 goals at vital moments. Subhashish Bose scored the goals. So a great captain leading from the front. Subhashish Bose scored 6 goals. Subhashish Bose. Then Alberto Rodriguez Martin, he scored 5 goals. Alberto Rodriguez, so 5 goals. Manveer 5 goals. Yes, these two on the 5. Then comes Jason Cummings. He scored 4 goals out of 20 matches. So great till now, great performance by Manveer and Jason Cummings and Liston Colasso. He scored 3 goals out of 21 matches. A great person indeed, Liston Colasso. Then comes Greg Stewart. He scored 2 goals playing 15 matches. So that was Greg James Stewart. He scored 2 goals. Then comes Petratos. He also scored 2 goals out of 18 matches. Petratos 2 goals. So everybody then, in the scheme of things, when they started scoring goals, even Thomas Michael Aldred, he scored 2 goals for Mohun Bagan. Yes, Aldred, he also scored goals at vital moments. Then comes Dipendu Biswas. Yes, this is the person. He scored 1 goal.